especially bringing their babies, which is so adorable. I love kids.
During the baseball season, you guys went to catch that wrong fly, you and Rob hit each other, you came down. You said something to him, he flipped you off.
Yeah, he did.
What did you say?
I called him another word for a cat. Which is kitty. Which is kitty, by the way. Yeah, and I can't believe that made it into the movie. I was like, son of a gun.
Marcel was like, oh my god, dude.
I like that. I appreciate it.
I got a main question for you. We're all super excited for the win, and we all love that Taylor's still Jacob. And we heard 30, 40 pounds of muscle, and you're the big bad vampire. So, I mean, are you feeling a little pressure to hold up yourself a little more? I mean,
I will beat Taylor's butt any day. It's really kind of crazy. It's a crazy life that actors do because we're never able to just be a constant look, wait. You know, it's like I did a TV show 90210 and I just did another movie called Go Zip Code, yes. And it's funny because when I did Generation Kill and Twilight, it's like I could be my happy, bigger self. And I weighed 205 during Generation Kill. And then here I do 90210, they're like, you're too big, so if you want to do the show, you gotta lose weight. Pretty much telling me if I don't lose weight, I can't do it. So I had to lose 20 pounds, and I hate being skinny. And I don't know. So I look forward to gaining the weight again for that. It's fun. Hello.
I was just wondering, like, what kind of process was for you to get that role from it?
Yeah, the audition process for me, which, okay, the DVD of Twilight comes out. And I'm really excited to see that part on the 7-part disc, the second DVD, because it explains and shows the casting process, which I was such a latecomer to it. I think Cam booked Emmett first, and then he saw James and wanted James, and then they booked another guy for Emmett, and I was still in Africa doing Generation Kill, and I read the script, I loved it, but being away for 7 months in a foreign country without seeing my dog, my family, like, I wanted to take a break from acting. I love to act, but it's like my grandparents were doing well. It's like I missed so much that I took a break from acting. And then my agent was like, Kellan, you know, the guy playing Emmett fell through. You got to fly back from here and audition. I'm like, no, I don't want to. Thank God I did. So yeah, I did that audition. There was like 7 other tiny guys that I was auditioning against. I wore a white beater and these guys are just like doing push-ups. It makes me smile. So yeah, I auditioned and then I got the call that night saying, hey, do you want to go to Oregon and meet Catherine? And I was like, yes, let's do this. And yeah, pretty much just auditioned for Catherine and she said, cool, you're my Emmett, and here I am today.